let's recreate one of my favorite Starbucks menu items. It's the double smoked bacon cheddar and egg sandwich. I picked up these freshly made sourdough bagels from our local farm store. We really like to support our local businesses when we can. These bagels are made with simple ingredients. They were soft and they were perfectly browned. Just look how beautiful that bagel is. Next, I cooked up some bacon to go on our sandwich, and I must say this bacon was cooked to perfection. It was the perfect amount of crispiness. I shredded up some sharp cheddar cheese, and this is fresh sharp cheddar cheese, not the bag cheddar cheese. And then I made 1 egg. I mixed my egg before I put it in the pan so that it would be all mixed together. Now I just flipped it in half, and I'm gonna put cheese down inside of it. I want this sandwich to be extra cheesy and extra delicious. Now all I'm going to do is fold the egg over so that it closes in on top of that cheese and it melts it. We're not done here. We're going to put cheese on top of the egg as well because we want this to be extra cheesy. I'm not sure if you're familiar with the Starbucks sandwich, but I can already tell you that this egg and cheese looks top tier compared to theirs. I'm gonna let the cheese melt down inside the pan before I pull the egg and put it on the sandwich. I just want to make sure that everything's good and melted, and I'm just going to push everything toward the egg so that it fits perfectly on our bagel. Just want to give you a little close-up of this egg and cheese to show you how delicious it really is before I put it on my bagel. Any cheese that I have left over in my pan, I'm just going to scrape it right on top of the sandwich because we're not leaving any cheese behind. Once that's all done, we're going to move on to adding our bacon on. And I'm just going to add this on 1 slice at a time and make sure that everything is even over the sandwich to make sure that every bite has the delicious piece of bacon in it. Have to let me know in the comments which sandwich from Starbucks is your favorite, but just look how good this looks. I mean, it looks so delicious. Last but not least, I'm going to add some of my homemade mayonnaise to one side of this bagel. If you're interested, I do have my homemade mayonnaise recipe up on my page already. Just scroll back and you can find it there. I'm just going to make sure that I coat this side of the bagel pretty good because I love mayonnaise. There you have it, the finished sandwich. And this is my take of the Starbucks double bacon, cheddar cheese, egg sandwich. My mouth is currently watering because this looks so delicious. I think I outdid myself here. You'll have to tell me if you think this looks just as good or better than the Starbucks version. For comparison, this is the Starbucks version that I recorded from one of my daughter's What I Eat in a Day videos. Here I am going in for my first bite, and let me just tell you, this sandwich was so delicious. It was 10 out of 10 good. I will definitely be recreating this again. I have to keep watching for the mini cheese pull that this sandwich gave me. Decide to recreate this. Let me know in the comments how you liked it and if you think it's just as good or better.